Now here if A vector is equals to 2i plus j plus 3k cap, while B vector is equals to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap, then find the very first one is A cross B, while the second one is magnitude of A cross B. So first we'll calculate A cross B. So A cross B calculation can be shown as follows. So first we'll write the one that is known as A cross B can be calculated by taking in the determinant manner. That is known as I J K. Here it is 2 1 3. That is from second row from the components of A, while the second common is known as 3 5 minus 2 will comes from the B vector. So this can be written as I cap into, we'll write it as minus 2 minus 5 into 3 is 15 minus j into 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 plus k cap into 2 into 5 10 minus 3 into 1 is 3. That is equals to I cap into minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17 minus j into minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13 plus k cap into 10 minus 3 is 7. That is equals to minus 17 I cap minus into minus plus 13 into j cap plus 7 into k cap. This is the value of A cross B. Therefore, A cross B is equals to, we'll write it as minus 17 into I cap plus 13 into j cap plus 7 into k cap. Now we'll go to the second one, that is known as calculation of magnitude of A cross B. That is equals to magnitude of minus 17 into I plus 13 into j plus 7 into k, that is equal to square root of minus 17 square plus 13 square plus 7 square. So minus 17 whole square is 289 plus 13 square is 169, while 7 square is 49. So when we add this 289 plus 169 plus 49, it will give giving a 507 at the 2 under the root. This is the magnitude of A cross B.